Hey everyone, today we're going to be using raw honey, lemon juice, and turmeric to make a turmeric face mask. I'm going to be starting off with 2 tablespoons of raw honey to a jar. Okay, so let's talk about the wonderful properties of these ingredients, starting with honey. Raw honey has amazing benefits for the skin. It is used as a natural humectant. This means that it helps to draw water from the air and keep your skin moist to fight dryness. If you have eczema and you tend to get dry patches on your face, honey works to alleviate that as well. Another great benefit in using raw honey for the skin is its anti-aging properties due to the antioxidants. Honey can boost your collagen production as well. It contains natural enzymes that aid in exfoliating dead skin cells and rejuvenating the skin. Honey is also anti-inflammatory, which helps reduces the appearance of redness in the skin caused by acne or irritation. It also has antibacterial and antiseptic properties, all due to the natural occurring hydrogen peroxide found in honey, which help to fight bacteria and infections. This comes in handy if you're dealing with acne. In addition to aiding bacterial infections in the skin, honey is a great natural remedy to heal sunburns and minor skin burns as well. Honey also protects the skin from UV rays. The sugar in honey can be absorbed through the skin and into the bloodstream. This helps to aid in digestion. When ingested, honey can be used to boost the immune system. Next up is turmeric. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder to add to the mask. Turmeric contains a yellow colored chemical called curcumin. Curcumin gives turmeric its amazing benefits. Turmeric has been found to be useful for treating conditions such as inflammation. It is also shown to be antimicrobial and antifungal. It also possesses the ability to break down dead skin cells, just like honey, and brighten the overall appearance of the skin due to its antioxidant properties. It can treat acne and heal acne scars, skin rashes, and minor skin abrasions. Turmeric is also effective against dark circles and wrinkles. It helps to cleanse and soften the skin as well. Here I added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to the mixture and just stir. It's going to take a while for the honey to kind of like dissolve and for you to get something similar to a paste that you can apply. If you find that it is too thick, go ahead and dilute the mask with some water. You don't want to add any more than 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you find that lemon juice is too strong for you, if you have sensitive skin, I will dial it back down to just maybe about half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Again, it is very potent, so you really don't want to do too much. Lemon juice aids cell turnover with its high doses of vitamin C, a known antioxidant, and citric acid, a type of alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA. Vitamin C helps to fight free radicals that can damage collagen, leaving you with smoother skin. Lemons are also known for getting rid of blackheads and acne. Lemon juice has astringent properties due to its acidic level, which can be beneficial for oily prone skin. With that, I'm going to add a disclaimer. You should always do a patch test if you plan on using lemon juice on your skin. It is recommended that you use a moisturizer with sunscreen when using lemon on your skin. Because it contains AHA, using lemons on your face or just your skin overall can cause damage to your skin. You should also be aware it's not recommended for daily use or that you go outside after using it on your skin. Since lemons have the ability to lighten your skin and hair over time, and when used too much, have the ability to dry out your skin or even cause leukoderma, also known as vitiligo, sunburn, or phytophotodermatitis, a type of skin condition that occurs when you have citrus substances on your skin and your skin is then exposed to UV rays. It results in symptoms like inflammation, redness, swelling, and blistering. So please keep that in mind when adding lemon juice to your face mask. Also, you want to make sure that you use a moisturizer with a sunscreen of SPF 15 or more, but it's generally recommended that you use something with an SPF of 30. This mixture is more than enough for your face if you're going to be using it weekly or even 3 times a week. I wouldn't use it more than 3 times a week. Like I said, lemon juice is very drying to the skin. The reason I made so much is because I'm also using it on other parts of my body, like my knees, my inner thighs, and my underarms, to help lighten the skin in that area and get rid of any hyperpigmentation that I have on my body. I apply this mask about 3 times a week to my face for no more than 10 minutes. Here I'm just applying the turmeric mask all over my face with a makeup brush, and I'm doing a very thin layer. You want to make sure you do a thin layer, nothing too thick, because the thicker it is, the longer it's going to take to dry, and it already takes just about 10 minutes for it to dry overall, before you wash it off with lukewarm water. And just so you guys know, turmeric will stain. Even after washing it off with a cleanser, I found that when applying my toner that it still stained my skin a little bit. So it's really up to you if you want to just let it sit on your face for a little bit more, or just really remove it with a good toner. So here's a picture of my face. You can see there's eczema, dry skin, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and this is the third day of applying the mask just before I put the mask on. And here's a picture of my face today, and you can see it's a huge difference. There's a reduction in scarring, and my skin looks glowy and youthful. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. I plan on doing a sea moss face mask for the next video, and if you're interested in seeing that, then just leave a comment down below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I post videos every single week featuring natural DIYs, organic beauty, and natural hair. So if that kind of content interests you, then be sure to subscribe and check back with me next week. Bye.